What's up? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking here at Megan Cope Elementary School, home of the Seahawks in San Jacinto, California. Got to share my heart with the kindergarten through fifth graders today, the students and the staff. And the main focus was all on diversity and needing human kindness, just like the shirt says, but that the kindness really begins in our heart, right? The peace sign inside the heart, that peace truly starts in the heart. And it starts by us appreciating diversity, appreciating our differences on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, talk, think, act, hear, see, everything, but also what's on the inside too. So it could be our talents, our abilities, our skills, the things we're good at, the things that we're not good at, that we appreciate all of that, right? The outside and the inside. And we choose to really, see people for their heart first, see them as human beings, and show that empathy, show that respect, show that compassion no matter what. And once we start to do that, then we start to change this world. We start to heal this world. We talk about the M on all of our palms, M for miracle, or for Megan Cope, and W upside down, W for worthy, that we see everybody as true miracles, including ourselves, and we see our own worth. And then once we really buy into that, we go help and share that love and, really understand that we're worthy to give the love and to receive it, and to know that this kindness, if we let it come into our heart, it can truly transform us and it'll actually make us want to give that love back and give that kindness back. And so we talked about, kindness coming full circle, that, it's not just the person that we show kindness to, it's the people that see it around us, that it affects people that are just watching that. And to know that we have that type of impact and can have it be something positive, it's huge to really instill that and understand that at a young age, that we have this power to change the world. So it was really touching. A lot of students came up to me and just shared with me that what I shared today really touched their heart. And in the short time that I had with them, with both groups, to know that if just one person can touch your heart in that short time, think about the difference you can make by going and spreading that kindness and really giving it, right? Because for as much as we receive the kindness, I think we actually receive that much more once we give it too, right? And so it was, again, just a very motivating day to see so many people on board with respecting diversity, with making that choice, to know that we're all miracles, to have the courage to stand up for what's right and really make that choice in their lives. Thanks again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget your true miracles. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, keep sharing your hearts and spreading your light. Much love. Peace.